Number 1. 1963 Chrysler Newport, $4,400, Chandler, Arizona. This 1963 Chrysler Newport is a well-preserved survivor showing just 27,000 original miles and long-term single-family ownership. It is powered by a 361 cubic inch big block V8 paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, and it runs and drives well. The car retains its original interior, original paint, and even original purchase paperwork, which is uncommon for a full-size Chrysler from this era. The body and finish are described as solid, making this an excellent entry-level classic sedan with strong originality, despite the absence of the original hood. Number 2. 1965 Dodge Polara 383 for $200, Spokane, Washington. This 1965 Dodge Polara is a true Mopar survivor, powered by a 383 cubic inch big block V8 with an automatic transmission. Showing 49,000 actual miles, it was stored indoors for decades after being parked in 1988. Recent servicing includes a new fuel tank, new fuel lines, and brake work, allowing the car to run and drive again. The interior remains exceptionally clean, with service stickers supporting the mileage claim. Minor surface rust and an older scrape on the passenger side do little to diminish its strong survivor character. Number 3. 1988 Buick Regal, $4,500, Denver, Colorado. This 1988 Buick Regal sedan is a well-kept late-era classic that has been owned by its second caretaker for the past 10 years. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, it shows 104,000 miles and remains very clean overall. Extensive maintenance has been completed, including air conditioning service, new tires, brake work, cooling system components, and a tune-up. With excellent paint, a clean interior, and added conveniences such as Bluetooth audio, this Regal makes a comfortable and reliable classic daily driver. Number 4. 1986 Dodge Daytona, $200, Mesa, Arizona. This 1986 Dodge Daytona is a long-term ownership vehicle that has not run since 2010. It is equipped with a 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission and shows 162,904 miles. The car comes with a clean title but is sold strictly as is, does not start, and is best suited as a project or parts car. At its very low asking price, it offers an inexpensive entry into vintage Chrysler front-wheel drive performance history. Number 5. 1981 Mercury Zephyr Wagon, $1,500, Mancos, Colorado. This 1981 Mercury Zephyr Wagon is a distinctive Fox platform vehicle closely related to the Ford Fairmont and early Mustang chassis. Powered by a Ford 200 inline-6 engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission, it runs and drives well. The car has received numerous mechanical updates, including new ignition components and rebuilt carburetor and transmission. Although one door shows rust, the floors are solid, making this a budget-friendly cruiser or engine swap candidate. Number 6. 1983 Buick Riviera, $3,500, Key Peninsula, Washington. This 1983 Buick Riviera is a one-owner luxury coupe powered by a GM remanufactured 5.7-liter V8 bored 40-over and paired with an automatic transmission. Featuring front-wheel drive, it runs, drives, and stops properly. Known for its bold styling and smooth ride, this Riviera represents early 1980s American luxury with solid mechanical care and a clean title, making it an affordable classic cruiser. Number 7. 1981 AVANTI, $1,850, Prineville, Oregon. This 1981 AVANTI is offered as a major project or parts car. It is equipped with a small block Chevrolet V8, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. The body is reported to be fairly solid, but the paint is very poor and the interior is heavily worn. The car has not been started, has no keys, and the doors are locked. With a clean title and a complete drivetrain, this AVANTI is best suited for a custom build or dedicated restoration project. Number 8. 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS T-Top, $7,000, Chicago, Illinois. This 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS is a desirable T-top model featuring a solid, rust-free body. It is powered by a 355 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission and shows approximately 100,000 miles. The car features a burgundy cloth interior and leak-free T-tops. While it needs cosmetic attention, including fenders, a hood hinge, and paintwork, it provides a strong foundation for a classic General Motors G-body performance build. Number 9. 1986 Pontiac Firebird, $6,200, East Mesa, Arizona. This 1986 Pontiac Firebird is a well-developed project featuring a Corvette-sourced 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. The chassis shows 137,000 miles, with approximately 80,000 miles on the engine. Extensive upgrades include new paint, a fresh exhaust system, suspension-related brake components, interior refurbishment, and cold working air conditioning. It runs and drives, making it a solid second-generation Firebird with modernized performance improvements. Number 10. 1974 Plymouth Duster, $7,500, West Duluth, Minnesota. This 1974 Plymouth Duster is a desirable muscle-era compact powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 and a 3-speed manual transmission. Reported as a Montana car, it runs and drives and comes with a clean title. Known for their lightweight design and strong performance potential, V8 Dusters are becoming increasingly collectible, making this example appealing for both cruising and future restoration. Number 11. 1970 MGB GT Hardtop, $9,995, Pahrump, Nevada. This 1970 MG MGB GT is an all-original survivor that spent more than 25 years stored in a California garage. It is powered by a 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering classic British sports car handling and character. Recent service includes brakes, clutch hydraulics, tires, fuel system work, and engine tuning. With front disc brakes and a clean California title, this GT is a well-preserved and enjoyable vintage sports coupe. Number 12. 1973 Ford Pinto Squire Woody Wagon, $9,000, Olympia, Washington. This 1973 Ford Pinto Squire wagon is a rare and nostalgic example of early 1970s American compact wagons. Powered by the original 2.0-liter engine with a 4-speed manual transmission, it shows 64,462 miles believed to be original. The body is rust-free and well-preserved, while the interior shows typical sun-related wear. With refurbished front seats and strong mechanical condition, this Pinto offers unique collector appeal and classic charm.